For all of you aspiring motovloggers, here's a tutorial on how to mount your GoPro on your helmet. For motovlogging, the GoPro is a great device to record your videos and vlog on it. Mounting it on your helmet might be some tedious process because most of the helmets, the surface is not that smooth, or you might say not plain. So there are different places where you can mount your GoPro on your helmet. There's a left side or the right side, that means on either sides, the front and the top. Now if you'll be mounting a GoPro on the top, you'll be getting great wide view from the top of your helmet, but it doesn't give that rider's perspective that most of the motovloggers want. I preferably love this part because it gives that really good rider's perspective. It gives the viewers the rider's view, which most of us want. And moreover, if you are using an external mic, it becomes very helpful if you are mounting your GoPro on your chin. Now most of you, those who have mounted your GoPros onto your helmets, you have used this mounting system from GoPro, which is this 3M adhesive tape. But in most of the helmets, the surface is not plain. Like you can see in my helmet at the front, it's not plain. Okay, it has a little bit of curvature. And also you can see if you're mounting it on the side, then there are a little bit of curvature here also. So it becomes very difficult to mount these systems right away on these helmets. So there are some tricks, one of them being to use this thing, M-seal. Now the reason we use M-seal on these helmets is because the M-seal takes the shape of the helmet and you can mold it in any way so that the angle with which you will mount your GoPro takes an appropriate shape. Now first of all, we need to take up the M-seal. I don't know how this works, but it's amazing, right? When they are kept separate, they're not at all, adhesive, but once you mix them, it becomes like a super glue. So you need to mix both of them. Yeah, it's taking the color and the shape. Okay, so I've made this adhesive mixture using M-seal. Now it's taking the shape and color of that sticky glue. So what you'll do is stick it here, okay? Like this. Okay, that should do nicely. Now make sure that this part is plain, alright? And it's a little bit upright, because if your GoPro is too much down like this, it is slanted like this, then you'll be getting a less field of view and your GoPro will be pointed downwards. So your field of view will be obstructed, and if it is too much up, then you won't be seeing the handle. So it has to be perfect. Now we'll be attaching this system to this M-seal. Let's take out this tape. Alright, let's stick it on this helmet. Just like this. Yes. And just put some pressure on it so that it gets stuck nicely. Okay, so that's nicely stuck, and let's keep some finishing onto this. Okay, so as you can see, I have stuck this M-seal in this structure on my helmet. It's beautiful, as you can see, beautiful. It's taken a beautiful shape. Now, as you can see, I've put a little bit much more M-seal on my bottom than the top, so that this becomes straight, upright. Okay, now you've got a J-hook that will be coming right here, and it'll give you a little bit slant towards down. So it's important to give a little bit upright slant so that the angle is perfect. So that's the most important thing, the angle. So that's why we had to go through this trouble of putting the M-seal, right? So let's, oh man, I'm so sweaty. So let's put it out to dry for tonight. Then tomorrow I'll show you how this is solidified and taken this shape. And we'll mount our GoPro on this and go for a short ride. So it'll be like 12 hours for me, but for you it'll be an instance. In 3, 2, 1. And here we are back on this beautiful road So this road leads to Basista Temple, which is a famous temple nearby Guwahati, and it's a little bit secluded. That's why I chose to come here. Let me cross this speed breaker. Yeah. And there's this army base nearby on my right side, as you can see. And big speed breakers along with a beautiful weather. And as you can see, I've mounted a GoPro. It's rock solid in here, mounted on this system, and you can see this perfect angle. So the basic thumb rule is 30% should be your motorcycle and the rest should be your landscape, the scenery which you want to show. So that gives a very good rider perspective, and as you can see, the angle it's almost perfect. I'm shooting. So that's how my setup was looking with the GoPro mounted on my helmet. As you saw, the angle was almost perfect. Let me show you the final setup with the GoPro mounted with a J-hook. So as you can see, the M seal has solidified perfectly and it has taken this beautiful shape. And on this, we'll be using this GoPro case from Ulanzi. I'll provide the link in the description. You can buy it from Amazon. It has a beautiful case for the external mic adapter for GoPro. So that helps a lot because otherwise you have to put your external mic adapter in a different place, which takes up some more space for my helmet. Also, it looks ugly. So this is a very convenient way to put your external mic adapter. So this GoPro case is attached to this J-hook, and this J-hook mount we have put it in this helmet, just like this. Alright. As you can see, it's very easy. And this is the mic. You can round it up, you can wind it up and put it inside your helmet. So that's about it, guys. I hope this video has helped you in some way about how to mount a GoPro on your helmet using M seal. If you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with some more videos for you guys so that it can enhance your riding experiences better. With this, thanks for making me a part of a day. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, good night.